welcome back to Primal Living. In today's recipe video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make these delicious prosciutto wrapped dates. It may sound like an unusual combination to some, but believe me, the irresistible mix of the sweet and salty will leave all of your Christmas guests coming back for more. It's a really easy recipe to make, so let me show you how.
Before you do anything, you'll need to preheat your oven to 190 Celsius and grab yourself 10 medjool dates. You'll then need to slice each medjool date in half and remove all of the stones. Try not to slice all the way through and just leave a little bit for the medjool date to hang on to. Once done, you'll then need 25 grams of goat's cheese. I like to cut these up into slight rectangles so that they can fill each medjool date well. You'll then spread it out very gently with your fingertips and squeeze each date. Repeat this process until every medjool date is filled. You'll then need 5 slices of organic prosciutto, which I like to gently slice in half so that they are the correct size for every medjool date. Grab yourself a medjool date and gently start rolling from the end of one of your prosciutto slices. You'll want to make sure you also have a firm roll with each date so that everything kind of sticks together. And once you've done that, you'll just then need to repeat the same process for each date. Once done, grab yourself a baking tray and line it with some parchment paper and add each wrapped date to the baking tray. You'll then need to place the baking tray in the middle of the oven and bake for roughly 15 minutes. If you like this recipe, then make sure you also check out our roasted Brussels sprouts tray bake. And as always, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel. To finish this recipe off, I also like to serve it with some homemade cranberry sauce. Enjoy!